Series lifts C350 and C450. Standard features include fits most standard swimming pool applications, ADA-compliant pool lift, stainless steel construction, powder coat finish, lift capacity. C350 has a lift capacity of 350 pounds, and the C450 has a lift capacity of 450 pounds. Battery-operated 24-volt system, user-friendly controls, lifetime structural warranty, armrests, footrests, safety seat belt, left or right seat position, UPS packaging for easy shipping, can be used for spas and pools, key lockout system, emergency return system, UV resistant, includes battery charging station, retrofit or tri-point anchoring systems are optional. Key features include internal seat leveling. This assures that the seat remains level throughout the lowering and lifting of the user. Also, the internal linkage provides a stationary unit to become a fully portable unit with simple installation. Portable capability system. The commercial series lifts can be purchased as a stationary lift and can be made into a fully portable unit with the purchase of a portable kit at any time. The key lockout system is designed to lock the system out with the turn of a key when the unit is not in or intended to be in use. The emergency return system is designed to connect the power source directly to the actuator in case of malfunction of the handset and/or controls, and it will safely return the stranded user to the up position and out of the water. Additional options include protective cover, extra battery, and the commercial series portable kit. Global Lift Corp products are laboratory tested to